resuming the docket. The court is calling David Williamson, case number U3388217. The charge is narcotic drug violation. For the record, is Mr. Williamson in the virtual courtroom? If so, sir, please say your name. Unmute yourself and say your name, Mr. Williamson, please.
Sorry, ma'am. David Williamson.
Thank you. And Ms. Wilkerson, your representation of Mr. Williamson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Till Manager Wilkerson, P81003, on behalf of Mr. David Williamson.
As to this matter, I know Mr. Williamson has several matters before the court, Ms. Wilkerson. This one is an arraignment on a bench warrant. The court will recall the bench warrant, and how do you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, if the court will allow, we would like to set this matter for a trial date and request a personal bond on this matter. Mr. Williamson does have a retained attorney. He is ready to face these charges. We just ask for a trial date and a personal bond.
All right, so Mr. Williamson, we will enter a not guilty plea for you. Your trial date is May 11, is that correct, Madam Clerk?
Yes, Your Honor.
May 11, sir, at 8:30 in the morning. At this time, we are telling you that it is a Zoom connection. So you will connect the same way you did today. If that changes between now and May 11, you will be notified by the court. And if it, if the public has been admitted into the courthouse at that time. Otherwise, it will be a Zoom connection the same way you connected today. We will give you personal bond. It means you do not have to pay any money, but you must return on May 11. Any questions about that case, Ms. Wilkerson or Mr. Williamson?
No questions from defense, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, then, Mr. Williamson, going forward, sir, the court is calling SP 104794, count 1, David Williamson, no operator's license on person. SP 105699. No, I'm going to hold back on that one. SP 1934191. Improper license, David Williamson, improper license. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance. Also 162361841, same defendant, no operator's license on person. 204140161, same defendant, driving while license expired. 205128951, same defendant, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that same ticket, no insurance. Count 3, driving while license suspended. As to this group of tickets, Ms. Wilkerson, your representation again for the record.
Your Honor, as to those group of tickets, defense counsel moves for dismissal for no complaining witness in this matter, being the police officers on those tickets.
All right, the court is going to grant that motion. As to, I want to be clear that as to tickets SP 1934191 and 2, the officer was Marcel Clark. He did appear in the courtroom this morning on the Zoom channel and did indicate he had no recollection and was moving for dismissal. That is also true of SP 1047971. The officer is Brand Catlin. That officer appeared in the courtroom this morning and also indicated that he had no recollection. I believe those tickets were from 2014. So those matters are all dismissed for the reasons indicated on the record. Mr. Williamson now has case number SP 105698, Count 1, improper license. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance. And count 3 is driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ms. Wilkerson, for the record, ma'am, how do you wish to proceed on those matters?
Your Honor, in regards to those matters, my client would like to avail himself to the plea offer presented by the city attorney, which was a plea to an amended charge of improper plates instead of the no insurance misdemeanor. And the other 2 counts, count 1 and count 3, would be dismissed, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Williamson, sir, you've heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
And sir, you understand you have the right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Normally, that trial would take place physically in the 36th District Court, but because of the pandemic, no persons are being allowed into the courthouse. And so it's my understanding, sir, you have agreed to participate on the Zoom proceeding. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you will be waiving or giving up your right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand and be sworn. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may lower your hand, and Mr. Williamson, on the date, the time, and the location of the ticket ending in 6998, count 2, were you driving a vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Oh, I'm
Yes,
sorry, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
Can I stop you? Remember,
Sure.
this is supposed to be no contest plea.
Oh, all right.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. Mr. Williamson, your lawyers indicated, sir, that you wish to plead no contest and have the court take the factual basis from the face of the ticket.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, for purposes of sentencing, you should know, sir, that a no contest plea is the same as a guilty plea. So we will accept your no contest plea, take the factual basis from the face of the ticket. The charge is no insurance. The court will accept the recommendation to amend the charge to improper plates and dismiss the remaining 2 counts previously read into the record. Madam Clerk, do you have the fine for the amended charge improper plates?
Yes, Your Honor. $190 fine, $40 court cost for a total of $240. He has other reinstatement fees, 3 of them for $135, so he owe a total of $375, Your Honor.
Okay, are those on the dismissed tickets?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and Ms. Wilkerson, even when a ticket is dismissed, the Secretary of State will require a reinstatement fee. I don't have any jurisdiction or authority to do anything other than let you know that until those are paid, the license will be suspended. So Mr. Williamson is going to have to pay those reinstatement fees.
Okay, Your Honor, that's fine. I'll make
Can
sure
I
he
get
takes
that
care of
total?
those.
I'm sorry. May I get the total again, Madam Clerk?
$375.
Okay, Mr. Williamson, do you need more than 30 days to pay? Sir, I'm going to
No,
expedite.
ma'am.
You can pay within 30 days?